Hello Mango, welcome back to our 30 days of purpose of Pilates journey with Moving Mango Pilates. Today we are going to focus on a desk reset flow, working on the movements to release our tension on your neck, your shoulders and your spine, which is perfect especially after you have a long day sitting at your desk. So if you're ready, just roll your mat. Let's unwind together.
Hey love, you got your heart on your sleeve, but the shirt on your back's a bit small. Hey you, yeah, your colors are changing, the world ain't half bad after all.
Let's start by sit on your mat. Cross your legs, hands on the knees. Take a deep inhalation through your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. Inhale again and exhale deeply. And you can close your eyes, just focus on a couple deep breaths now. Inhale and exhale deeply. Relax the shoulders. Inhale again and exhale. Now close your eyes and focus on your breath. Inhale. Exhale, release all the tension on your shoulders and on your upper body. And again. And exhale deeply. You can open your eyes now. Now lift the shoulders up. And exhale, lower and dip the shoulders all the way down. And lift up. And press your shoulders down. And lift up again, 3 more. And press down. And make sure you go all the way full range of motion here. And last one. Great. And now rotate your shoulders fully to 4 directions. And opposite direction. Now bring your hands behind your head, shoulders down, and slowly open the elbows all the way. Look up. And round the spine, close the elbows and look down. And open the elbows again. And come back. See if you can open the chest and feel a little stretching on the back of your upper spine and round the spine. And open. And come back. And one more time. And exhale. And come back to the center. Now bring your head to the right. You can use your hand, pull the head down so that you feel a little stretching on the side of your neck. And try to reach your opposite hand away. Deep breath. And exhale deeply. Slowly rotate your head, look down to your shoulder and pull your hand down. And take a deep breath again. And exhale deeply. And bring your hand back. Now bring your head to the other side. Use your hand, pull your head down. Reach your opposite hand away. Take a deep breath. And exhale. And slowly rotate your head, look down to your shoulder. And come all the way back to the center. Great job. Alright, so now from here, we are going to look all the way down to your feet. Nod your head, chin to chest. And look up. And look down again. If it doesn't feel good on your neck, you can use your hand to support your head when you look up. And chin to chest. And look up again. And back to the center and bring your hands down. Very good. Alright, so now we are going to open your arms sideways, shoulders down, and start to reach your hand to the left and to the right. To the left again. And to the right. And 3 more times here with control. Every time you reach, look to the opposite hand. Do it slowly with your breath. 2 more. And reach. And last one. And reach. And back to the center. And bring your hands down. Rotate your shoulders fully to 4 directions. And opposite. Great. And now we're going to rotate your head to the right. And look down to your shoulder again. Hold it here for 3 more deep breaths. And to the opposite side, look down to the shoulder. And hold it here for 3 more deep breaths. And come back to the center. Alright, so now we're going to bring your arms up to the U letter. Shoulders relaxed. And rotate to the left. So you can twist even more. 1, 2, and come all the way back. Twist to the right. And try to go further. 1, 2, and come back to the center. Twist to the left again. And 1, 2, and come all the way back. Twist to the right. And 1, 2, and back to the center. One more time, each side. And to the right. And 1, 2, and come all the way back. Now, lengthen your arms, rotate your wrist. Opposite direction. Interlace your fingers to the back. I'm going to sit along the mat just so that you can see me. Lengthen your arms. Try to lift the hands up as high as you can. As high as you feel good. And come back, lengthen the spine and sit tall. Lift up. And lower. And 3 more. Lift up. Exhale down. And 2 more. Lift up. And exhale. And last one. Lift up. And come all the way back. Great. Now bend the elbows. Slide your hands up along the spine. Try to reach as high as you can and stop there. Close the elbows forward and open your elbows back. And do it slowly so that you feel good. Feel a little stretching. Feel so good with the arms and the spine. And very good. Last one, go forward. Again, open and bring your hands all the way down. Rotate your shoulders fully to 4 directions again. And opposite direction. Great. Alright, so now from here, we are going to bring your hands on top of each other. Open your chest. Rotate the torso to the left and look down towards the shoulder. Now open your arms from here. So you can twist all the way, look to the back as far as you feel good. And come all the way back and twist to the other side. Look down to the shoulder. Open your arm. Twist and look to the back of the room. And come all the way back to the center. One more time each side. Go to the left. Open your arms. And come back. Go to the right. Twist and open and look to the hand. And come back. And bring it to the center and bring your hands down. Wiggle your hips from left to right. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale deeply through your mouth. Now bring your hands under your thighs. Just round the spine and open your chest. Arch your back. You're going to open your elbows wide just so that you can feel a little bit more chest opening. And round the spine again. Look to your belly button and arch your back. And one more time, exhale. And inhale, open. And come back to the center and bring your hips from left to right. Now right hand to left thigh and reach your opposite hand to the other side of your mat. And switch to the opposite side and reach. And come all the way back. Wiggle your hips again. And we are going to sit up. Rotate your shoulders and reverse. Rotate your head around the neck. And opposite direction. And one more time to feel good. Fully to forward direction with the head and reverse. And back to the center. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale deeply. The very last one before we finish. So you're gonna bring your head to the front and press your head back. And to the front. And only your head, guys. Go forward and come back. And go forward and come back. And last one. And come back. And relax. And you can rotate the shoulders for as long as you feel good and reverse. Take a deep breath, inhale deeply through your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. And one more deep breath and exhale deeply. Great work. You've taken an important step to release tension and feel refreshed. Make sure that you come back to revisit this session anytime that you need a reset. And tomorrow we are focusing on your spine. So I hope you have a lovely day and we'll see you soon.